Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, you got about 2u. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 2 in here. This is about the constant. So if I do first derivative of this one, you got about 0 in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, because we still have s in here, so I will put negative number 5 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, about the square root, we change by u. S, we change by this one. ds, we change by u du. Now, u divided by u, we cancel. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 5, you got about 5u. And then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.